So thank you, Navika. First of all, I just want to do a television Shashtang Pranam to Bedi ji. He's my guru without knowing it, because I was a Tamil kid who didn't speak a word of Hindi, and it was watching Ye Jo Hai Zindagi with him, Swaroop ji and Shafi Inamdar that I learned Hindi. So Gurudev ko Shashtang Pranam. Second is, why this burns. An Indian liberal, I will never know. There is nothing about Islam in this. There is nothing about the Indian Muslim in this. It is all about Pakistan. What is the great love these people have for Pakistan? And specifically, what is with the film critic duo, the husband who keeps, takes a novel that is about the ethnocide of Kashmiris, whitewashes the ethnocide, makes another film which is all about, terrorists being humans after all, that can be reasoned with and loved and whatnot. This has now become a pattern. I'll tell you why. Through the 80s and 90s, there was a gentleman called Dawood Ibrahim who controlled Bollywood. All the Bollywood stars used to go there and do mujra at his parties, serve drinks at his parties, do God knows what they did at his parties. That ecosystem remains, it is firm, it is strong, and it is in the hand of Pakistan. We need to remember, all crime is fungible. Bollywood today is one of the big areas where, a lot of black money circulates. Because of the black money circulation, you have an underworld association with it even now, and all illegality is something that Pakistan exploits.
But this film particularly dwells on the 26/11 time, and Sanjay Jha, is that why the liberals, the ecosystem supported by the party that you belong to, is that why they're having a Bernal moment? Because it says it as it is. On the soft underbelly, on dealing with things like this, which is totally exposed. Is that why there is discomfort?
Navika, I live in Mumbai. I also have some friends in the film industry. Let me tell you what I have heard, and these are from very respected people. Since 2014, Bollywood, with due respects, has been reduced into a propaganda factory of this government, and I will give you evidence in 15 seconds. Look at these movies that have released, and I'm giving you just a sample, by the way. PM Narendra Modi, Kashmir Files, Kerala Story, Article 370, Swatantra Veer Savarkar, The Vaccine War, Jehangir National University, that's what they call the JNU, Buster, the Sabarmati Report. It's a long list of films.
So and what's wrong with them? So what's wrong with these films?
1 minute. I'm making a different point. Most of the movies, and people have a right to do a biopic, they have a right to create any story they like, but the whole attempt has been to make Narendra Modi and his government look like the muscular Hindutva mascots, and the rest of the world has to be the fifth columnist.
Sanjay
it is a disgrace to creativity.
Sanjay Jha, I thought you were more mature than that. You think anybody will bet a commercial film's outlay on just making the Prime Minister look good? You think people will bet their careers? And does this ecosystem want to take the sheen away from somebody like Aditya Dhar, who has proved his mettle time and again, Anand Ranganathan, just because he's a boy from the neighborhood who comes out there and, a Kashmiri who comes out there, makes films like Uri, 370, makes them successful, brings in Dhurandhar. इनसे हजम नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि ये दरबार से बाहर के लोग हैं.
Why did we have the Gujarat files in the last 10 years?
Yeah, 1 second, Sanjay. Look, a couple of points. First of all, yes, what you say, Navika, is absolutely true. First of all, 100 times more propaganda films were made during the Congress than in the last 10 years. Secondly, if this was the case, you are so right. The movie that was made as a biopic of Narendra Modi absolutely bombed and crashed on the first day itself. So for them to say that, look, these movies are being made because they are going to make profit, that's not true. The people are going to accept the movie that they like. Now, first of all, congratulations to Rakesh ji for his brilliant performance in this film. But I want to say this. Look at the speciousness. I just want to comment on one. First of all, I also want to use a lot of harsh words, but I'm so grateful that I have Abhijit as a panelist because शब्द मेरे होंगे, बोल इसके होंगे. So thank you, Abhijit. जो मैं नहीं कह सकता वो आप कह देना. देखिए speciousness क्या है? You know the twist now? They are saying that they are criticizing Pakistan because they want to criticize in effect the Muslims of India. This is the new trope that they have started. मतलब आप पाकिस्तान को भी आप criticize नहीं कर सकते. By that logic, tomorrow they are going to say कि हमास को criticize मत करो, क्योंकि आप हमास को कर रहे हो criticize, तो इसका मतलब आप Indian Muslims को कर रहे हो. Well, the fact of the matter is because we haven't criticized Hamas is because when their terrorists die, यहाँ पे हजारों उसके जनाजे में जाते हैं नसरल्ला के, याया खान के. So please, two wrongs are the ones that we need to show. Finally,
सईद असद अब्बास साहब, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, तब भी तो बनी थी ना परजानिया, फिराक, बनी थी फिल्में. अब कुछ फिल्में चल जाती हैं, कुछ नहीं चलती. ये तो फिल्मों पर डिपेंड करता है. अब राकेश बेदी साहब, अक्षय खन्ना, रणवीर सिंह और आदित्य धर ने मैजिक किया है. फिल्म चल रही है. फिल्म आप कोई बना लीजिए, नरेंद्र मोदी जी की फिल्म जो बनी थी वो नहीं चली. डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह के ऊपर जो बनी थी वो इतनी नहीं चली. लेकिन ये चल रही है, जो जनता जनार्दन को पसंद आएगी वो चलेगी. इसमें आपका बर्नौल मोमेंट क्यों हो रहा है?
आपको बताता हूँ. सबसे पहले राकेश जी, सर, you've been a childhood hero to me. I've been a big fan since Shriman Srimati and the role of Dilruba that you played. Hats off, sir. It's an honor to be on the panel with you. Coming to the point, Anand Ranganathan, थोड़ा कान खोलकर सुन लिए. पाकिस्तान मुर्दाबाद till my last breath. हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद. सरजमीन हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद. ये आपका बर्नौल मोमेंट है. और रही दूसरी बात, I believe, sir, I would have taken my family with me to this movie, Rakesh ji. Lekin the number of expletives in the movie could have done avoided. Otherwise, to me, it was an absolute blockbuster. But the fact is, Aditya Dhar has become a BJP national spokesperson to show that we need somebody like a nation-loving CM. I know he means Yogi ji. Why? The rest of the chief ministers are not nation-loving. Who is an Aditya Dhar to give a certificate to only the BJP leaders?
आप पिक्चर देखने क्यों गए भाई? इतना बर्नौल और मोमेंट हो रहा है तो पिक्चर देखने क्यों भाई? He is the director, writer. He will interpret it the way he likes it. He will make it and the rest of the country is loving it. इनको गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है? राकेश बेदी जी, जरा जवाब दे दीजिए.
नहीं, क्योंकि ऐसा है, एक लॉबी को ऐसा लगता है कि हम सिर्फ प्यार भरी लव स्टोरी बनाते रहे, कहीं यहाँ वहां कोई कमेंट ना करें. हम वो जो घोड़ा नहीं होता जिसकी वो यहाँ पर लगा होता, बारात का घोड़ा, बस ऐसी एक ही दिशा में हम चलते रहे, हम कहीं कुछ और वेंचर ना करें. देखिए, ये एक बल्कि एक मोमेंट ऑफ प्राइड है. मेरे लिए मोमेंट ऑफ प्राइड है, हमारे इंडियन सिनेमा के लिए मोमेंट ऑफ प्राइड है कि कितने जमाने के बाद ऐसी फिल्म आई है जो ऑडियंस को पुल कर रही है. और पुल ऐसा नहीं कर रही है, आप देखिए कि ये एक अजीब तरह का एक एक्सपेरिमेंट है कि एक सिंगल पोस्टर नहीं लगाया है उन्होंने पूरे शहर में, पूरे बल्कि इंडिया में. उन्होंने कहीं कोई पब्लिसिटी नहीं की है, कोई हमारी कास्ट किसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं गई है अपनी फिल्म को प्रमोट करने के लिए, कोई टीवी पे हम शोज नहीं कर रहे हैं कि हमारी फिल्म आगे देखिए. तो ये जितना कुछ हो रहा है वो ऑर्गेनिकली हो रहा है, ऑटोमेटिकली हो रहा है, अपने आप हो रहा है. तो इजंट इट मैजिक? तो बजाय इसके कि हम इस बात को सैल्यूट करें,
it is magic. And राकेश बेदी जी, क्या कहूं, we are all such huge fans and I am having a fangirl moment. आपकी हर पिक्चर, चश्मे बद्दूर इंक्लूडेड, मतलब इतनी बार देखी है कि बस वापस सिनेमा हॉल्स में लौटने का ये जो पूरी प्रथा चल पड़ी है. I think, I hope this lives on. Good for Bollywood, good for cinema goers like us. जिनको जलना है वो जलते रहेंगे, अब क्या करें. धुआं है, उठेगा, कोई बात नहीं, मास्क लगाइए, आगे बढ़िए. लेकिन I think more power to people. And I love the underdogs, जिनके पास कोई पेडिग्री, कोई हेरिटेज नहीं है, बस वो कहीं से आते हैं और अपना अच्छा काम करते हैं और जनता का मन मोह लेते हैं. एंड people of India give them the thumbs up. That is how India works. This is chemistry. And Syed Asad Abbas and Sanjay Jha, sad, but never mind, take a chill pill. मे बी ओवर अ कप ऑफ टी और कॉफी अपने गम डुबा लीजिएगा, लेकिन धुरंधर चल तो बहुत रही है, और रुमाल की जरूरत हो तो भिजवा दूंगी। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मी ऑन द न्यूज़ आवर टुनाइट। गुड नाइट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, बी सेफ।